Hello and welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, we'll walk you through how to upload files to OneDrive, a key skill that helps you store, organize, and access your documents, photos, and other important files from anywhere on any device. Let's start with how to upload files using the web interface. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. If you're not already signed in, enter your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Once you're inside OneDrive, navigate to the location where you want to upload your files. You can upload them directly to the main area, known as the root directory, or choose a specific folder you've already created. Simply click on the folder to open it. At the top of the page, you'll see the command bar. Click the Upload button. You'll notice two options, Upload Files or Upload Folders. When you click your choice, a file picker window will open. Here, you can browse through your computer and select the files or folders you want to upload. To upload more than one file at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while selecting your files. Once you've made your selection, click Open to begin the upload. You'll see a progress indicator, letting you know how much of the upload is complete. As soon as it finishes, your files will appear in the selected folder, ready for access anytime. Now let's take a look at how to upload files from a mobile device. Start by launching the OneDrive app on your phone or tablet. Next, tap the plus button or the upload option, depending on your device. This will give you a few choices. You can upload existing files from your device storage, or even capture new photos and videos directly into OneDrive. Select the files you want to upload, and the app will begin uploading them automatically. You'll be able to see the upload progress, and once it's done, your files will be stored securely in your OneDrive account. And that's it.